Understanding ordinal numbers from 1 to 10. Hello there, language learners. Today, we are going to dive into a very important part of English language learning, ordinal numbers. Specifically, we'll be focusing on the ordinal numbers from 1 to 10. If you're not familiar with the term, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at understanding and using ordinal numbers in English. Ordinal numbers are used to denote the position in a series. In simple words, they tell us about the order of things or their rank. While cardinal numbers, like 1, 2, 3, tell us about quantity, ordinal numbers, like first, second, third, tell us about the order or position. Let's get to the ordinal numbers from 1 to 10. 1. First. 2. Second. 3. Third. 4. Fourth. 5. Fifth. 6. Sixth. 7. Seventh. 8. Eighth. 9. Ninth. 10. Tenth. Now that we know what the ordinal numbers from 1 to 10 are, let's look at how to use them in sentences. Ordinal numbers can be used in a variety of contexts, but the most common usage is to indicate the position or order of something. 1. She came first in the race. 2. I live on the second floor. 3. This is the third time I'm reminding you. 4. My fourth attempt at baking was successful. 5. We're celebrating our 5th anniversary. 6. He's in the 6th grade. 7. This is the 7th book in the series. 8. It's August, the 8th month of the year. 9. He was the 9th person to arrive. 10. I placed 10th in the competition. As you can see, ordinal numbers tell us about the order or position of something. So there you have it. We've learned what ordinal numbers are and how to use them in sentences. Remember, practice is key to mastering any new concept in language learning. So try using these ordinal numbers in your conversations and writing. Hope this video was helpful and enjoyable. See you in our next lesson. Happy learning!